Hi everybody and welcome back. I'm going to tell you today how you can clear your home ready for the big spring clean in just 15 minutes a day in 7 steps. So stay tuned. I have got a free downloadable for everybody. I will put the instructions somewhere around this video of how you can get that and download it and print it for free to help you with these steps. I'm just going to go through these steps with you, so let's go. Step number 1, grab yourself a tote bag, a shopping bag, or a box. You're going to want it to put some stuff in, and you're going to want a rubbish bag. Go to wherever it is that you will be doing these 7 steps on to clear out ready for a spring clean, whether that is a wardrobe, a cupboard, an actual room, corner of a room, wherever it is. Get yourself there with your tote bag and your rubbish bag. Set your timer, whether this is an egg timer or the timer on your watch. Set your timer to only 15 minutes. You're going to get this done. When this timer goes off, you leave whatever it is that you have not done, leave it for another day. We're only doing 15 minutes a day. This is the great thing about this. You're only going to be spending 15 minutes getting ready for the spring clean. So step number 3, for 2 minutes and 2 minutes only, you will be running around that room or scrambling around in that wardrobe for 2 minutes to find rubbish. Any rubbish that you find that is lying around, your empty crisp packets, sweet papers, I don't know, envelopes, whatever it is, grab it. If it can be reused, reuse it. If not, put it in your rubbish bag. Let's get rid of it. Step number 4, purge 10 items out of that room. Have you got something that Aunt so-and-so left you 15 years ago that you really didn't like, but you're keeping it anyway? Let somebody else have it. Somebody else out there will really love it. I really want it. If you don't like something, if it's not giving you a really good vibe when you walk in that room, then let's purge it out. Find 10 items. Usually I can find more than 10, but I'm going easy on you guys. So find 10 items that you can get rid of. Donate it to a charity, reuse it. If it's a t-shirt or something that's got holes in that you're not using anymore, that can be reused. Reuse it as a duster, use it for crafts. Don't let it go to landfill straight away. If it's usable, use it. But let's purge out 10 items. Step number 5, find all the things that do not belong in that room. So, you know, there's always something, isn't there? You like I did today, actually, sat down on my sofa and I find this. This has got something to do with my cat, who's happily sitting on the back of my sofa just there. It doesn't belong down the side of my sofa, so that will be put away. That is something that would go in my tote bag or in my box, ready to be put away. So find all the things that don't belong. So step number 6, we're nearly there. See, I told you it was so easy. Step number 6, if something is going to take you less than 1 minute to put away, go ahead and put it away. If it's going to take you 10 minutes to run from the bedroom or whatever all the way down to the garage to put one item away and then come all the way back, you're missing out on most of your 15 minutes work that you need to get done. Put it in your tote bag or your box. That is what that is for. On another day, when you're going to another room, you will take that tote bag with you and that item will be in there all ready for you to put away in the correct room or in the correct spot. And And step number 7, we're there already. Find homeless items at home. In everywhere you go, there is something that gets moved from one corner of the room to the other side of the room and then back again because it doesn't have an actual home. Let's find a home for all these homeless items. Pick the item up and think to yourself, if I needed this item, where would I go? Where would be the logical place that I would find this item? And then put it there. Simple as that. When your timer goes off, stop. I don't want you to do any more than 15 minutes every day. The next day, get your tote bag, get your timer, another 15 minutes, and you can carry on in a different room. Before you know it, your home will be already tidy for the spring clean, and spring cleaning is gonna be a breeze. Enjoy your day, guys. God bless.